Hey everybody, it is Friday, March 4th. So our do now is if an Olympic skier raced down the 1,984 meter Super G race course in 73.51 seconds, what was her average speed? Okay, so first thing we got to do is we got to remember that we're talking about this stuff. Okay, well that is speed. Oop, sorry for my spelling today. Speed is equal to distance divided by time. So that's great. So we have those. We have those two items. Oop, there we go. There's my little friend. Make it a little bigger. All right, so I have speed is equal to 1984 divided by 73.21. And I'm going to pull out a handy dandy little calculator. You're going to hear me say that again so that I don't mess this up. Then I'm going to have 1984 divided by 73.21. I'd never expect to do this in your head. And that's going to give us a speed that's equal to 27.1 meters per second. All right, just kind of a review of force of motion. And for number 2, which of the following best I'm going to put in number 1 so you know that's number 1. And you do these in your do now. You know where those are located. And then number 2 is which best describes an electron. It has no charge. Wait, it does have a charge, so that's wrong. It has a negative charge, well, yes, and much less mass than a proton. Okay, proton is 1 AMU, and this thing is barely 0, so that could be. C's wrong because it's not positive. It's negative and has about the same mass as a neutron. No, neutrons have more mass. So our answer here would be B. All right, so just a quick reminder that whenever you're out, you can check here on the recordings, and in here you'll find the recordings by date and by category. Your do nows. So today's do now would be right there for Friday. And then if there's any work assigned, like we're continuing to work on our in-class project, it would be here. Remember, or you can check, mine says grade book, yours will say grade. Anything that has 2 dashes, that's a perfect way for you to see what you're missing or what you have owed. Remember, if it says excused or it does say missing, you need to get that in, and you need to let your teacher know via email. Remember, today, end of the school day, is the last day to get in late work so we can get it graded because the quarter ends next Thursday. Can't believe we're at the end of 3rd quarter. All right, everybody, see you Monday.